What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you about the fact that I got 8 dividend payments in the month of December, which totaled about $450 and some cents. So in this video, once again, I'm talking to you about 8 dividend payments that I got in the month of December. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now I have on the screen my current portfolio, which is currently valued at $286,608, $565 now, because the market is currently open. So this is live. That is where my portfolio is currently. For those of you that may be watching the channel for the very first time, I'm currently up $40,000 or so for the last, well, not for the last anything. For my all-time on Robinhood, as you can see on the screen, I'm currently up $40,000, but it's really around 44,000 because I started investing back here in May of 2020, and since May of 2020, I have invested $241,000, so almost 242. As you can see, it's been a bumpy ride, just like the stock market. Of course, you see over here in October, I was down 63 G's. And then, of course, now today I am at 286. So the stock market is very much all over the place, especially so far in my experience. But I want to show you guys that I got 8 dividend payments because part of my portfolio is focused on getting dividend payments, and it also has a lot of growth stocks as well. Maybe not a lot of growth stocks, but I have Apple and Tesla. And then, of course, I have a couple of ETFs that have some more growth stocks in there as well. So my portfolio can fluctuate quite a bit. All right. So I'm going to show you guys in my Robinhood account here. So right now I'm at $287,161. Of course, it's going to be moving all over the place. But I want to show you guys in my Robinhood account the 8 dividend payments that I got, and I'll actually show you each company as well. So at the bottom, here we go. Let's find the month of December here. And here we are, December the 9th at the bottom of the screen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the 30th and 8 on the 31st. And then, of course, you see January. I already have something else going on there. So I'll show you guys these 8 dividend payments that I got. And once again, it's totaling about $450 and some cents. Let me tell you the exact amount: 450 and 70 cents, 450 and 17 cents. Every month my dividend payments kind of fluctuate because, of course, sometimes I have dividends that are paid to me monthly, and then I have dividends that are paid to me quarterly. So of course my dividend payment has been up to $600 and something before, and even at $450 right now. So that's why the dividend payment kind of fluctuates, because once again I get payments monthly as well as quarterly. So the very first dividend payment that I got was for AGNC, and I'll show you guys my position currently with AGNC. So right now AGNC is trading for $15.33. My average cost per share is $14.95. Currently I'm up overall 2.56%, which happens to be $74. And that is my position with AGNC. So I will show you guys my most recent dividend payment that I got here, which was in December. So December the 9th, here you guys see the dividend payment on December the 9th for $23.59. And then, of course, you see that it was reinvested here on December the 9th for $23.59. So that is the very first payment. The next one is with Exxon Mobil. Currently, Exxon Mobil is trading for $67.87. This one's doing quite well for me because my average cost per share is $44.59. Overall, I'm currently up 50%, which is freaking exciting. That's $2,542 at the moment. And then I'll show you guys my most recent dividend payment that I got with Exxon Mobil, which was here on December the 10th for $94.73. At that time, I owned 107 shares, you can see here, and then they're paying 88 cents per share, which is why I ended up getting $94.73. And then, of course, you see a market buy on December the 10th for $94.73 again. So I have the dividend reinvestment plan turned on Robinhood, so they automatically grab more shares for me, which makes it super easy. The next one is a ETF. This is Vanguard Information Technology ETF. I love this one quite a bit. I'm having a very positive experience. So my average cost per share is $411.84. They're currently trading at $441. My overall return is up 7%, which happens to be $1,800. Super excited. The dividend payments for this particular ETF, this is an ETF. So this one currently has a lot of companies. I don't remember off the top of my head. 365 companies. You see it right here. Number of holdings, 365. I really like this ETF a lot. This is a Vanguard ETF. And as you can see here, I got a dividend payment on the 21st of December. I had 63 shares and they're paying 82 cents per share. And therefore my dividend payment was $51.96. And then of course there's a market buy here also on the 21st of December where they were able to grab, a fraction of a share, 0.116 of a share. Okay, so that's quite interesting. But that's the payment that I got with Vanguard. This ticker symbol is VGT. So the ticker symbol is VGT. This is the Information Technology ETF. I like this one quite a bit. The next dividend payment that I got was from Prospect Capital. Currently, my average cost per share is $7.22. My overall return is up 19%, which happens to be $2,103. And then Prospect Capital pays monthly, so I end up getting dividend payments every single month. This is December the 23rd here, as you can see, for $89.79. At that time, I had 1,495 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share. And then, of course, they were able to grab some more shares for $8.49 per share. So I grabbed another 10 shares because I have dividend reinvestment turned on Robinhood. All right, the next dividend payment is another ETF. This is another Vanguard ETF. This is a Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. My current average cost is $90.45. I am currently up 26%, which only happens to be $278 because I did not invest that much at the time because I was a moron. Let me show you my most recent dividend payment here. In this particular ETF, there are 413 companies, as you guys can see. So let me scroll down here and show you guys. The most recent dividend payment was December the 23rd for $10.91. And then, of course, they grabbed, fractional shares. They grabbed 0.08 shares, right? I really like these Vanguard ETFs just because it's automatically diversified. VGT, there's 365 companies, and this one, VYM, has 413 companies. The next company is ARMOUR Residential REIT. This is a monthly paying dividend. My average cost per share right now is $11.75. As you can see, it's trading for $10.07. So this is the one that I'm not excited about. I'm currently down negative 14%, which happens to be $1,500, $1,563, and they do pay monthly. So as you can see here, I got a dividend payment on the 29th of December for $91.69. Currently, I had 916 shares, and they're paying 10 cents per share. And then, of course, there's a market buy on December the 29th again, and they were able to grab 9.2 shares. So that's currently my position with ARMOUR Residential REIT. This is the only company that I'm invested in that I'm actually in the red. Of course, you can't win them all. Okay, I'm always like, should I have sold this position and grabbed some more ETF? Whether it was the Vanguard High Dividend Yield or VGT or VUG, which are Vanguard ETFs that I'm invested in. The next one up is another Vanguard ETF, and this is VUG. Currently, my average cost per share is $286.02. My overall return on this one is currently up 8%, which is $998. Now it's $1,003. I'm very excited about this one. This particular ETF has 281 companies. And of course, a lot of the top 10 are companies that we know. You got Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Alphabet Class A, which is Google, Nvidia. Alphabet Class C is also Google. Meta Platforms, which is Facebook, and then Home Depot and Adobe. We pretty much should know all those companies. All right, let me show you here. So I got a dividend payment on the 30th of December for $19.59. At the time, I had 41 shares, as you can see over here, and they're paying 46 cents per share. Then, of course, I grabbed some more shares here automatically on Robinhood, and they were able to grab 0.06 of a share. So that's for $19.59. The last company is Gladstone Capital, which pays monthly. Currently, my average cost per share is $10.82, as you guys can see here, and they're trading for $11.30. My overall return is up 4.46%, which is $507. They do pay monthly, like I said, so I'll show you guys my most recent payment, which was the 31st of December for $67.99. At the time, I owned 1,045 shares, and they're paying 0.065 per share, which allowed me to get a payment of $67.99. And then, of course, on the 31st, they were able to grab some more shares, 5.88 shares at $11.56. Okay, so that was my last dividend payment. That is 8 dividend payments in the month of December, which totals $450.17. Now, of course, my dividend payment for January is going to be higher because I think I have more companies that pay quarterly, and I'm going to get a substantial amount of dividend payments in the month of January. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys posted, because this channel is about showing my journey and showing you how to make money in the stock market without having to be a genius or without worrying about timing the market, you know, buying at a specific time and selling at a specific time. Of course, you can make lots of money a lot of different ways in the stock market. I'm just showing you the way that I am doing and how I'm being successful. And of course, I'm going to have you guys along for the journey. So whether the journey is good or bad, you guys will know exactly what's going on. All right. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.